Good morning. It's Friday out here in the gym, and Friday is our shoulder day. So our shoulder day today, we've got 3 lifts. The main lift is Arnold Press. Well, I don't know if we call it main lift, but it's 3 sets of 10. Actually, all the lifts are 3 sets of 10. This is our kind of our break-in period back into our cycle, our 2026 cycle 4. So we went on leave, took a vacation, and was out for 2 weeks. So I had a transition period that from my last cycle to this cycle, and I didn't want to start this cycle until we went on vacation and didn't want to interrupt the cycle. So we are breaking back in after 2 weeks off of weight. It's been a long time since I've taken 2 weeks, probably 3 years or so since I've taken that much time. I've always done active rest weeks in between my cycles, and this is the first time I've not hit the weights in a full 2 weeks. So anyway, in 3 years. So anyway, we're going to hit this old Arnold press, and then we've got the around the worlds, and then we've got the front raises, and then we've got our shoulder PT. We'll hit the shoulder stretches again. Shoulders are doing pretty good this week. I hadn't felt any, meaning there's still some discomfort there. You know, I'm 56 years old, so I don't know what I'm expecting, but I'm just going to continue on, and if they keep getting better, we'll just take it. We'll take it. If they stay right where they are right now, I'll be pretty happy compared to where they were 2 years ago. 2 years ago, oh my goodness, they were in pain. So right now, I'm pretty happy with where they're at. So we'll continue doing the shoulder PT and see where it takes us. And it can't be bad for me. It's good for me because it always feels good when I'm done. So anyway, let's hit this old weight workout. This is Sojourner Vision. Welcome to the channel. And this is Russell. So you guys, let's get this old longevity training in so we can meet age with grace. Let's do it. Let's hit it. All right, we got the old shoulders done. Shoulders on Friday. So yeah, the Arnold press. Hit the 30s for 2 sets and the 35 for the last set, and the 35 still felt good. I'm pretty certain I could have struggled with the 40s on the last set. So I maybe could have done 35s for 2 and a 40 for 1, but not sure. Not sure. Won't know till I try it. But yeah, no, felt good. Shoulders aren't bad at all. And the around the worlds felt good. I actually, typically, I'm more focused on how my shoulder rotates and how it feels and protecting it. And this time I was able to focus on some deltoid engagement on that, and was truly able to feel some tightness and get some, not tightness, but feel them building up. You know how you get the muscles work out and they get swelled. That's how my deltoids were getting on the around the world. So that was cool. Hadn't felt that ever. That's first time. So maybe the 2 weeks off was good for the shoulders. So and front raises, 15 pounds. Still stuck at 15 pounds. Don't think the 20s. I think I would have been throwing them up instead of lifting them. So yeah, sticking with the 15 pounders on those. And then the walk jog, I hit my all 3 splits this time. I hit the 3 jog splits. So ended up in the 12-15 range, 12-15 per mile, somewhere in there. So not bad. They were jogs, no runs. So yeah, got my breath, got my respiratory and cardio working, felt good, got a good sweat. Oh my goodness, sweat a lot. Pretty warm this morning still. What is the temperature this morning in here after pulling the air through? It's cooler than yesterday. It's 85, 84, 85. So yeah, it's 3-4 degrees cooler than it was yesterday. So anyway, we're at Friday, folks. We're downhill. We're on the downhill side. We are almost done. Let's get in and get the work done, get our weekend started. Let's do it. All right. So you guys get some longevity training then so you can meet age with grace, folks. You guys go do it. All right, we'll let you go. You guys have a great weekend. Take care. I'll be out tomorrow for the ab burner. See ya.